Hello, and welcome to the UCS AVID presentation. My name is Kim Twarowski, and I'm one of the counselors in Utica Community Schools. I'm here to talk to you about the AVID program. AVID is a national program, and it stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. As you can see, the mission of the AVID organization is to close the achievement gap by preparing all students for college readiness and success in a global society. So what is AVID? AVID is a structured elective with set lessons and activities designed to support students in preparation for college. Specific students apply for and are selected for this elective. Additionally, AVID strategies are implemented school-wide that support all students. AVID supports a student's post-secondary goals through college readiness and rigor. So who is the typical AVID student? An AVID student typically earns B's and C's. The student has college potential and the desire to excel academically, but requires some additional support to highly achieve and succeed in advanced classes. The AVID student has a strong personal desire and individual determination to achieve through his or her education and has strong goals of a post-secondary education. A student who does not yet have the individual desire to succeed in school is not yet an AVID student. The program is not appropriate for students that academically struggle, as in receive multiple failing grades, have poor attendance, poor homework completion, or a lack of motivation. The homeschool counselor will work with these students to develop different strategies to support their success. Typically, AVID students meet one or more of the following criteria. First in their family to attend college, low income, or belong to a group that is historically underserved in four-year colleges. However, students may qualify for AVID based on a variety of special circumstances. These can be discussed with your school counselor. The AVID program has a career and college readiness focus with college visits and strategies to support students. For example, the AVID elective and tutorial process where students present and work together on a point of confusion teaches students how to work together to solve problems. At the high school level, students will go on college visits, whether virtually or in person, to get them exposed to what life is like on a college campus. Students who participate in the AVID program must take at least one honors, accelerated, or AP course each year, as well as taking the AVID elective course. Taking rigorous courses opens doors for students. Rigor is not necessarily a harder curriculum. Rigor means going deeper into the content to more fully understand the topic. Rather than focusing on surface level information, students are challenged to go deeper and think more critically on what they are being taught. So why do we focus on a rigorous curriculum? Many studies have shown that a rigorous curriculum is a greater factor in determining college graduation rates than a student's class standing, standardized test scores, or their grade point average. To help all students do rigorous work and meet or exceed high standards in each content area, the AVID program helps students in the following ways: developing as readers and writers, developing deep content knowledge, knowing content-specific strategies for reading, writing, thinking, and talking, and developing habits, skills, and behaviors to use these knowledge and skills. AVID strategies can best be remembered by using the acronym WICOR. The W stands for writing. Students are taught specific note-taking and writing skills to improve their writing ability. The I stands for inquiry. Through whole class and individual activities, students learn skills in asking and answering questions, discussing topics, and participating in critical thinking activities. The C stands for collaboration. One highly important 21st century skill is the ability to work in groups and with others. The AVID elective teaches students how to effectively work together through many different experiences. One such experience is tutorials, where students work with each other on areas of confusion in their academic classes. They learn how to help each other understand the material by effective questioning, rather than just reteaching. The O stands for organization. Students will learn how to manage materials and practice study habits, prioritize school, work, and social tasks, and intentionally take responsibility for their own learning. The R stands for reading. Advanced classes require effective reading skills, and the AVID elective teaches students how to interact with the text in order to more deeply understand the content. The research shows that AVID graduates are successful. 91.3% plan to enroll in a college or university. Out of that, 58.3% plan to enroll in a four-year university, and 33% plan to enroll in a two-year college. You will see that AVID students complete four-year college entrance requirements at a rate at least 2 times higher than the national rate. This better prepares the AVID student for success in college. At each of our schools with the AVID program, students in the AVID Elective become a family. They work together to support each other in the college preparation process. They participate in school-wide spirit events together, they work in partners, they work in groups, and they have fun. So how does your student apply for AVID? As an entering 7th grader, you would reach out to the junior high counselor. You will be sent the information on how to apply. If your child is currently a junior high student or a high school student, they will reach out to their current counselor for information on how to apply. The steps to applying for AVID include the completion of an application. This also includes a transcript for high school, teacher recommendations, and then an interview with the AVID team. We thank you so much for taking the time to view this PowerPoint. For any questions, contact your counselor. Thank you.